removal feels like a monthly stressor, it's time to rethink about your routine. When it comes to hair removal, most routines are still built around short-term fixes. Wax, shave, repeat. What if hair removal wasn't about keeping up, but about moving on? And what if you could do that without appointments, pain, or stepping out of your home? That technology already exists, and Philips has finally brought that to women in India. Europe's #1 IPL hair reduction device, loved by over 5.5 million women worldwide, the Philips Lumia Prestige. Philips Lumia Prestige delivers long-term hair reduction up to 92% with regular use and 12 months of visibly smooth, hair-free skin, all from the comfort of your home. It's gentle, precise, and adaptive. One device, one investment, long-term freedom from constant hair removal. So what actually changes when you switch to IPL hair reduction? Philips Lumia Prestige is an at-home IPL hair reduction device that works on the hair's growth itself. Here's what's actually happening. IPL stands for Intense Pulsed Light that targets hair at the root, slowing regrowth over time. With consistent use, it delivers up to 92% permanent hair reduction in just 3 sessions, which means fewer touch-ups, less regrowth, and up to 12 months of visibly smooth, hair-free skin.
Does it hurt?
It's designed to be gentle, co-developed with dermatologists like me. What truly sets Lumia apart is its Sense IQ technology. It senses your skin tone and guides you to the most comfortable light setting.
So I don't have to guess.
Exactly. Your skin tells Lumia what it needs. It adapts. With the world's first curved IPL attachments, each shaped to match your body. A flat curve for precise facial care, a concave curve for sensitive areas like underarms and bikini, and a convex curve that covers larger body areas quickly. And it cares, delivering gentle, effective results developed to safely treat multiple Indian skin tones and hair colors.
It's simpler than I thought.
Exactly. And using it takes just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Remove hair by shaving. If you wax or epilate, wait 24 hours. Step 2. Use a smart skin sensor to choose the right setting. Step 3. Hold Lumia at a 90-degree angle. Press, flash, glide. That's it. IPL works beneath the surface of your skin. Gentle pulses of light are absorbed by the hair at the root. Darker hair absorbs the light more effectively. That energy puts the follicle into a resting phase. The result? Hair sheds naturally. Regrowth slows down, and over time, hair becomes finer, lighter, and far less visible. A one-time investment of rupees 48,000 that covers you for years. You invest once and it's built to last. By reducing hair growth at the root itself, IPL helps improve how your skin looks and feels. Fewer ingrowns, smoother texture, visibly healthier looking skin. All this after just 3 sessions. Philips offers a try and buy experience so you can choose with confidence. If you're in Delhi or Mumbai, visit your nearest Croma store. Experience a live demo, ask your questions and take your time before deciding. You experience it and you buy only once you're fully convinced. If you're in Bangalore, book an online demo through Philips' trusted partner, Epic. A certified expert visits your home and personally guides you through the device at your comfort. Philips Lumia Prestige, the new standard in hair removal that is trusted by millions worldwide. Now finally in India, available in limited numbers.